Imagine you've created an LLM-powered agent to process invoices. It works well during proof of concept, but real-world usage reveals an edge case. Some invoices are processed incorrectly. Learn how to fix these kind of problems in 3 steps. Step 1. Identify the edge case. In the Aigentic platform, you can easily trace what your agent did. Select your agent and navigate to the runs view. Here you can inspect the work your agent did. Let's see how the agent processed this particular invoice. I can open the invoice to see what it looks like. In the bottom of the screen, I can see the invoice components it extracted. The agent extracted the summary as invoice line items. This is not correct. Let's tag this run so we can fix it. Step 2. Reproduce the issue a test. To create a test, I first copy the recorded run result. I can use this to set up an expectation in a regression test. This test will create an isolated sandbox where I can iterate over the run by changing the instructions of the agent. I provided the tags of the run it should test, the number of iterations. For now, I just set it to 1. And I've configured the invoice agent. The next step is to specify what result we actually expect for this run. To do this, I paste the copied result and modify it by removing the unexpected invoice lines. Now I can start the test to see what happens. Aigentic fetches the recorded run, executes an isolated sandbox test, and checks how the test run compares to the recorded run from the platform. It looks like we have reproduced the issue. The agent extracted the summary lines while we've configured the test not to expect it. Let's see how we can pass this test. Step 3. Validate your solution. Now, let's configure an additional instruction for the agent so it will handle this kind of invoice in the way we expect. But how can I be sure that this instruction actually works? Let's validate this solution. If I run the same test as before, it should now pass because of the extra instruction we've added to the agent. Let's see if this is the case. And it works! The agent did not extract the summary. This was just one example of how Aigentic can support you. When building LLM-powered apps, you will encounter all kinds of problems. Aigentic improves your developer experience by providing you the tools to tackle these problems. If you want to know more, please visit us on aigentic.io.